Hello, welcome to KUBE 365, and in this video, you will learn how to display different information columns on the My Submissions, My Tasks, and Search Submissions page through basic configurations. As you can currently see in our Search Submissions page, the system will only display the reference number, submitted by, submitted date, and status information columns by default. As I guide you through this tutorial, you will master the concept of changing settings to display more information. Essentially, the addition of more columns and information allows users to easily locate a specific form submission without the need to look into every submission. Let's begin by hovering your mouse over the Form Settings section and follow up by clicking on the Display Fields link. You are now on the Display Fields page. Here, you are able to see what form fields are already visible to the user when they access the My Submissions, My Tasks, and Search Submission pages. Now, press the Edit button at the top right of your screen and you will be greeted with a configuration pop-up window. Upon introduction to the pop-up window, you will start off in the Search Submissions tab. Here you can see that the table has a column for field code, field name, view layout, export layout, and filters. In the field code column, there are multiple drop-down lists for you to choose which form field information you want to display, export, or make a filter option on your Search Submission page. Moving on now, select a field from the drop-down list. By default, the field name will be auto-populated based on your selected field code. However, you may choose to customize and update the column name to be displayed by changing the field name to any name you desire. Next, you may tick the View Layout checkbox if you wish to display and view a column of these fields in the Search Submission page. Furthermore, tick the Export Layout checkbox if you want the information of these fields included upon downloading an exported submission file. If you would like the user to be able to filter submissions based on certain field codes, tick the Filter checkbox. Now, the selected field will be shown in the Advanced Search section and users can now use your field code to search for specific form submissions. Additionally, if you choose to do so, you may add more fields by clicking the Add Field Code button. In this example, we will be adding columns for employee name, department, year, and month. Now we shall move on to the Sort section. Here you can choose how you want your submission records to be sorted by in the Search Submission page. By default, submission pages are sorted in descending order based on the submitted date column value, which is essentially sorting based on when the user has submitted their form. Furthermore, the sorting of submission records can be customized to be based on different field columns of your choice. Additionally, you can also do the same to customize the My Submissions and My Tasks page by clicking on their tabs and editing them respectively. Once you are done with your settings, you may click the Save button. Finally, go to your Search Submission page. Here you can see your configured display fields shown based on your settings. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your form's display field settings.